Good day everyone. My name is Elsa Mandal Kulat and we are the group 8. So the topic for the lesson 8 is the art of emerging Europe. So let's get started. Art has been an integral part in European history from the time of the ancient civilizations like the Greeks and the Romans all the way to the modern times. Art has been used to communicate ideologies and belief systems prevalent within their context. Greek and Roman civilization were also known as the classical world because both culture aimed to embody the highest possible standards for quality in all aspects of their societies. So, pagdating sa sining at arkitektura, parehong sibilisasyon ang naglayong itaguyod ang posibilidad ng pagkakaroon ng obhetiko at malawakang tinatanggap na pamantayan ng kagandahan. Ang impluwensya at apekto ng parehong klasikal na mundo ay malawak. Karamihan sa mga kilusan sa sining ay kumukuha ng inspirasyon mula sa tiyak na mga elementong artistiko ng dalawang sibilisasyon. Ancient Greece. The Greeks were known to excel in various fields and aspects of society. For example, their political ideals and eventually became the framework for democratic form of government in modern times. They also valued poetry, drama, and philosophy, which remain interesting fields of study for the contemporary times. For those who want to be involved in arts, painting, sculpture, and architecture, one of these is required to have a certain skill sets and body of knowledge. The Greeks were known to place prime importance in the use of reason for the civilization. Man was at the center of society, and how they trained their minds could be the very foundation of how they lived their lives. So, the next is the ancient Rome. The Roman Republic was established around 500 BCE. The civilization eventually transformed into one of Western Europe's mightiest empires. Since they had expanded and covered many territories, they interacted with neighboring civilizations, particularly with the Greeks. So, here are the photos of Roman Greeks. It can be said that the Roman civilizations came of age during the Hellenistic period as mentioned earlier. It was a period when the Greek culture's influence has reached its peak in the Mediterranean world. The Romans were fond of the Greeks and their achievements in the arts. The fusores of Greeks and Roman cultures can be seen in most Roman artworks. So the next one is the Renaissance art. During the Renaissance period, artists valued that the individual as a sculptor of arts. The influence of humanism shifted the focus of some artworks. During the Renaissance period, to empower the individual, most of artwork emphasizes naturalism, which was also an influence of humanism since there was a great emphasis on the proportionality of the human body. Most artists also added perspectives of depth, where space were explored in different artwork. These techniques provide a three-dimensional perspective of the most Renaissance paintings. Renaissance artists also gave importance to non-religious themes or subjects. This was also brought by the privatizations of art during the Renaissance period. However, most artwork remained religious in its focus and theme.
Ang Venus ng Willendraff, isang maliit na biruin na pinaniwalang representasyon ng isang babaeng figura na inaakalang konektado sa pagkamayabang at kalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng mga anak. Stone ay isang malaking prehistoric na monument sa England na binuo ng malaking nakatayong bato. Ang layunin na ay isang misteryoso pa, ngunit iniisip ng ilang tao na ginamit ito bilang isang templo o isang kalendaryo.
Mannerism. An art style during the Renaissance that aimed to showcase creative interpretation rather than strictly reflecting natural forms. It often featured disproportionate figures, unbalanced composition, and unusual use of colors. Ang pag-usbong ng iba't ibang art movement ay nagpapakita ng pagbabago ng pananaw ng mga tao sa sining at kultura. Ang mannerism ay sumasalamin sa malikhaing pagpapahayag sa sining, lumalayo sa traditional na anyo. Baroque and Rococo. The term Baroque comes from the Portuguese word barocco, meaning irregular shape pair. It emerged in Italy as a response to Protestantism, characterized by intricate design, dramatic lighting, and movement. Rococo, on the other hand, was a lighter and more refined version of Baroque. During this period, Baroque music also flourished, featuring more complex compositions. Neoclassicism, an artistic movement in the 18th and 19th centuries that revived Greek and Roman style. It emphasized logic and balance in art and architecture as a reaction to the excessive ornamentation of Baroque. Neoclassicism naman ay isang pagbabalik sa klasikong sining na may diin sa balance at lohika bilang reaksyon sa magarbong estilo ng Baroque. Middle Age, the period between the fall of the Roman Empire and the Renaissance, a dark era where religion, particularly the church, became the center of life. Literature and art were primarily focused on religious themes.